This is EURJPY chart for H4 time frame. From this H4 time frame, we are making here one resistance area. This is another one resistance area. It's a trend line. It's a previous trend line. This is a confluence level where 200 moving average, horizontal resistance and trend line act as a resistance. From this resistance area, we are thinking for sell already, making here bearish engulfing. From this bearish engulfing, we are making a short-term sell here till now. With the target is, this is the target point. It is our target point for sell. We can make here a SL, the stop loss. This area here is another trend line. Parallel trend line act as a resistance area also. So it's a good area, sell area. Good areas for sell. So now we can make a sell from here.